Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by charging the Xm6 to at least half so Bluetooth pairing and noise features behave predictably. Next, install and open the Sony Headphones Connect app because it applies firmware and custom EQ automatically. Once the app is ready, power on the headset by holding the power button for 2 seconds. You'll hear a voice prompt confirming power. If you want pairing mode right away, hold the power longer. This forces Bluetooth discoverable state so your phone sees the device. With power on, enable Bluetooth on your phone and select the WH1000 Xm6 entry. You'll pair quickly. Once paired, use the Sony app to update firmware and choose an EQ preset. This ensures best sound and fixes known bugs. Then set adaptive sound control so the headphones change noise canceling based on activity. You'll get better battery life and situational awareness. Finally, configure touch controls and speak to chat so you can pause automatically when someone talks. That makes daily use seamless. Finish with a quick checklist. Toggle ANC versus ambient modes and listen for expected change, and run a test call to verify the mic and wind/reduction filters. Make sure multipoint is active if you use 2 devices. This avoids reconnect conflicts. If something fails, like no sound or odd LED behavior, do a factory reset by holding power and the custom button for about 10 seconds. This clears pairing and often resolves persistent software glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.